Hi, welcome back to Congolese dance tutorials. My name is Brian. I'm here to teach you ZIGIDA, 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 ZIGIDA. Right, so if you're ready, I'm going to get quickly into this. I'll see you on the other side. Boom. So, this move ZIGIDA, it involves your arms and the swaying of your bottom half of your body. So every time you go from right to the middle, it's a break. It's an and break. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And every time I move, you'll see my legs slightly bend. Not too much. I'm not really doing that. It's very mellow, it's very calm. So you start from up here. So it goes 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Right? And your arms just go opposite side of what your lower half is going. So your lower half is going to the right, your arms slightly go over to the left. Right? Even to the point where sometimes you don't even realize you're not even moving. But because you're so subtle and your legs are moving, your arms naturally, as you can see from me, it's just swaying the opposite way, just to balance as your body. Because if you try and do that, your body will just fall that way. So it's a very nice and mellow move. Right? So if you understood what I just said, put it down in the comments. If you didn't, let us know as well, and I'll let you know on how to do this move. But let's do some music right now. Let's get to it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. If there's any other moves you want to see us perform that you know is Congolese, let us know and we'll gladly do it. But for now, we'll see you on the other side for our next video. Bye.